Hello everyone, we are Team Survival. Today we want to talk about the crises that often get lost in medical files and insurance paperwork. The voice and the power of the patient. Survival mission is simple. We are turning personal struggle into policy actions. In Los Angeles neighborhood like zip code 90023, a cancer patient might spend up to 72% of their monthly income just a rent. We call this a financial toxicity. Beyond the wallet, medical patients often face 40% of the longer wait time for the specialist compared to private insurance. The real tragedy, however, is to knowledge gap. Most patients have no idea that California laws like SB 987 were created specifically to protect their right to care. Survival is a solution to this gap. This is not just another chatbot that might hallucinate or provide the wacky advice. We built a deterministic logical engine. We have essentially translated Californian complex legal statutes into hard-coded logic. If a patient is a low income and on a medical, our system immediately triggered the relevant protections of SB 987. No guessing, no error, just 100% reliable legal guidance. Now we see the demo of the project. First, user land on sign up and login page. We here on login, click on login now, and then user enter in a sign up page. Here we user see the location, health coverage, employee income, diagnosis. User fill this form. We fill this form with random data. Here we enter a zip code, current rent, click a health insurance and current monthly income. Now we click on analysis. Here we click and we see our output. Here our system work. Health factor, risk factor, he detect, system detect. Now we click see all the policies, and after clicking on advocacy email, we see a mail. User can copy this and send in. This is the demo of our project.